I'm doing a test on something. So we got thin on thick that are e-coated together. I'm gonna clamp them just like that. No hole. We're gonna be doing a plug weld without drilling. But I'm going to be using this chuck. So this typically works if you do a job and then you forget a spot that you could have ground off but you didn't, or you forgot to drill it or something, or you just need to do like a couple of plug weld. This should work great. I've done this before. I tried it, and now to show you guys. So this is a chuck right here. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna tag one similar to it in this video so you can also buy it if you don't have one. But what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be scoring the metal, and we're just gonna be plug welding it without drilling or without punching a hole. So not even all the way through the first panel. Now this is an iCar method, but this is not approved by iCar yet. But this is the method. I'm using their coupons, thin coupon on a thick coupon, and we're just gonna do this. Let me show you this. Alright, so that's the back. You can see the, not penetration, it's the burn through. We don't even have that much heat. Feels stable. I'm gonna do a peel test on it. The weld failed, so let's make this a little bit bigger and try again. Alright, so this is the second time. And yes, we went through the upper layer and scored the second layer. Okay, so we went through. We can actually see the little nipple that happens when you weld it correctly. See that little nipple right there? Actually, for this one, I'm going to be doing a twist test. That's also something that iCar does. And this is exactly what we want. Failure in the material before a failure in the weld. And if you just look at this, even the heat around the weld itself, even the heat is not even that, it didn't even get this hot. But we didn't even make a big burn. Like, let me show you on, for an example, let me show you on this one. For these, I plug welded them. And I actually drilled a hole, an 8mm hole, and I plug welded them. Look at the other side. See how it burns through it? Like, even look at this red one right here. Look at those. I think this is a cooler way of doing it. A cooler as in less temperature way of doing the weld itself. What do you guys think? Comment down, let me know. Because I think this should be introduced to iCar.